Here is how you can change chat theme on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the chat theme on Instagram. So let's start. First of all, open Instagram and log into your account. Then after, go to your message section. After that, select the chat room of any person. Now if you want to change the theme of this chat room, tap on the name of the person on the top of the screen. As you do that, you will find options like this. Tap on theme. Then after, select the theme that you want to set. Let's go with Spider-Man. As you change the theme, go back to the chat room. Then after, you will find changes to your chat theme. So in this way, you can easily change chat theme on Instagram. If you want to see the theme colors more clearly, make sure to disable the dark mode and enable the light mode, which will make the colors more vibrant. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.